Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change alarm clock ringtone via custom files on OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, you only have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen of your OPPO A5s mobile phone to proceed to alarm clock. And okay guys, here below you can see the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the alarm clock ringtone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to alarm. And okay guys, here in alarm, okay, I have 3 set of alarm here. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the alarm clock ringtone via custom files. And okay guys, you'll have to do is select the alarm time you want to change the ringtone. Here in alarm, okay, you can see the ringtone. You'll have to do is click ringtone. And now here in ringtone, okay, you can see the custom and the system sounds. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the ringtone or alarm clock ringtone via custom files. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click or select the custom and click the select from files. And okay guys, here in custom files or custom ringtone, okay, you can find the ringtone you want to add to your alarm clock. Okay, you'll have to do scroll down or up to find the ringtone or alarm clock ringtone via custom files. And okay guys, for my example, I choose this one of my ringtone, okay. And okay guys, after that, okay, go back. And okay guys, here you can see the alarm I select on this custom. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go back again. And okay guys, here you can see the ringtone is set into custom files ringtone. And okay guys, after that, okay, don't forget to click the save button on the upper right side on your screen to save the ringtone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, we have successfully changed the alarm clock ringtone via custom files on your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.